Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be making some pumpkin apple butter. I've already put in to the crock pot. It's Crockpot Pumpkin Apple Butter. It's sugar-free. It's 0 points. I've already put in 2 cups of pumpkin puree, and then I'm going the easy route. I used 3 of these unsweetened apple sauces, which are also 0 points. And then now I'm going to add some ground cinnamon. Put it over this so it doesn't go everywhere. I'm going to actually put in 1 teaspoon. I have a ½ teaspoon measurement because most of my stuff is ½ teaspoon. So put 2 of those in. Cinnamon's always amazing. Can't overdo that. Nutmeg. We're going to add some nutmeg. We only want a ½ teaspoon or even less. I'm just going to kind of sprinkle that in. Just kind of guesstimate because it's to your own liking, really. Not a ton of nutmeg. Not really a big fan of cloves, so I'm just going to put in a pinch of that over it. So here's my, literally, I'm talking just a smidge. And then same thing with ginger. I'm also going to put in some ginger. Just a tiny little bit of ginger. Again, the same as the other. Just a tiny bit. Just to get that flavor in there and not to overdo it. Also going to add just a dash of salt. Just a dash. Kind of helps bring out that flavor. And then we're going to add 1 cup of the granulated Splenda. These are 1/4 cups, so there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this recipe, the only points that are in it is the Splenda, and it's 3 points for the entire cup. So when you break that down, this is going to make a nice sized jar of pumpkin apple butter. When you break that down and you start using it as spread at 2 tablespoons is not even going to be any points at all. This is basically going to be a 0 point spread to be used on toast, to be used on pancakes, to be used on French toast, to put in your oatmeal, to put over chia seed pudding. There's so many uses for it. Anything you like to put spreads on, biscuits, you know, you can be making the 2 ingredient dough and using this as a spread on that. So we're just literally going to put the crock pot on low, leave it for about 4 to 5 hours, stir it a little bit in between, watch it, and if it needs to go longer, then we'll let it go longer.